If you're getting ready to go through a bone marrow biopsy, let me take a couple of minutes and tell you about my experience. My biopsy was in 2008. When I arrived at the hospital, the first person to greet me was the nurse, and she was a wonderful person. She actually offered to hold my hand through the procedure, but I was a bit afraid that if it got rough, I would break her fingers, so I declined. They had me on a table in a hospital gown. On my left side, they numbed a spot in the upper right hip, and put the needle in at that point. I could feel some pressure as the needle came in, but no pain. My hip was numbed. When it got to the bone, I could definitely feel it because they can't numb that part. And they go through the bone. No real pain, but definitely a pressure and some discomfort. It's more of an icky feeling. Before they break through into the bone marrow, they warn you so you can be prepared. And I thought it was going to be something bad, so I grabbed the iron rails on the bed, and it seemed like the old cowboy movies where the hero bites a bullet while the sidekick digs the slug out of his hip. Well, it wasn't that way at all. When the needle broke through into the bone marrow, there was what I would best describe as an electrical shock. It was just more of a shock than it was a pain. And then they collected the bone marrow, and a little bit of discomfort there, but no real pain in my case. Then they pull the needle back out. So the whole procedure was over in 10 minutes. And I was expecting it to be a lot more uncomfortable than it actually turned out to be. So hopefully your experience will be as good as mine. If I ever have to go through another one, I won't dread it the way I did the first one. And I'll say good luck to you, and thank you for watching.